Hi, I'm Steve Kenny, Marketing Manager for Hitachi Cable America, and I'm here at our Manchester, New Hampshire manufacturing facility to demonstrate how robust our Category 6 plus plenum cable is. We've got approximately 290 feet of our cable laid out here on the floor. We've terminated it with Hubbell Category 6 jacks. We're going to be testing with a Fluke DTX 1800. What we're going to do is we're going to do an initial test, then we're going to put a knot in the cable. Then we're going to retest, and we're going to continue to do this process just to show you how well our cable will perform after we put multiple knots in it. So let's get started. So this will be we'll demonstrate the performance of the cable prior to any knots being put in it. You can see we have 5.7 dB of next and 7.5 of power sum next. And now we're going to put a knot in it. Lucy, please put a knot in the cable. So now we have a knot in it. We're going to retest. And we have 5.8 dB of next and 7.6 dB of power sum next, so virtually no change. Let's put a second knot in the cable, please. Let's retest now with 2 knots in the cable. No change in next, and power sum next is also stable. Let's do 3 knots, please. And I do want to show this cable under test is the one we are putting the knots into. And now this is 3 knots. And you can see next and power sum next remain unchanged. Let's do knot number 4, please. Okay, now this is 4 knots. Hitachi Cable America Category 6 Plus plenum cable and Hubbell jacks. We have really no change in performance of the cable whatsoever. Knot number 5. Yep. Now we're going to put a 5th knot in the cable. And retest. And again, next. And power sum next, slight dip there. We're going to continue to test. Let's put a 6th knot in the cable, please. Okay, now we have 6 knots. We have a slight dip in next. And a slight dip in power sum next, but these values are still strong, still passing the standard. Knot number 7. And again, just to show, the cable we're putting the knots in is in fact the cable we are testing. And this now has 7 knots in it. Let's retest. And next is at 4.6, power sum 6.1, so still strong values. Now we're going to go to knot number 8. 8, please. We have 8 knots in the cable. Still very strong next and power sum next results. Let's do knot number 9, please. Again, this is Hitachi Cable America's Category 6 Plus plenum, made here in New Hampshire. And Hubbell Category 6 jacks. This is now knot number 9 in our permanent link. Still strong next, and power some next. Those values look great. So let's do a 10th knot, please. Let's be knot number 10 in the Hitachi cable category 6 plus cable, and Hubbell category 6 jacks. Now we have a 10 knots in our permanent link. And next, and power some next have remained strong. So as you can see, after 10 knots, this cable is still very strong, performs very well, and is going to support all the applications intended for category 6. Thank you.